Diversity is really important to Shoesmiths, and the partners here truly understand and believe in the value that it brings. A diverse workforce gives us diversity of thought and enables us to give innovative solutions to our clients.
So Sherman & Sterling, in terms of graduate recruitment, we have some external agencies that we work with, and we also have some internal programs as well. Externally, we work with organisations like Aspiring Solicitors and SEO and Stonewall, and internally we have some programs and committees, so our Women's Network Wiser, Women in Law, Sterling Pride and Restart as well.
So one of the things that we've been doing for a while at Shoesmiths now is CV blind interviewing. So what that means is you'll submit an application form which the recruitment team will see. That will get you to an assessment centre, but on the assessment centre the partners won't see your application form, and it is the partners that make the decision on whether you get a training contract.
Individuality is key at Slaughter & May. We don't care where people have studied, where they come from. I mean, amongst our legal staff, we've recruited from 84 different universities with over 32 nationalities within the firm. So diversity is key to us.
A CV blind assessment day allows us to remove any unconscious bias that assessors may bring to the table, and it encourages people to really do the best and to shine on the day rather than be assessed on any previous circumstances.
At Olswang, diversity is really important to us, and we're really proud of our partnership with Aspiring Solicitors. We've worked with Aspiring Solicitors for the last 2 years, and we're really proud to say that this year we had our first successful back schemer, who's now going to be joining us as a trainee in 2018.
This year, while are introducing the rare contextualising tool to our application process, which we're very excited about using going forward.
So we've started using a tool called the Rare Contextual Recruitment, which is where we get background information essentially on our candidates, gives us some context to their applications, and it allows us to measure their performance not against other people and not against criteria that's meaningless, but actually against their own context and how well they've performed given the circumstances that they're in. And I think that that's been a really great diversity initiative for us. We've seen candidates come through who previously without this tool may not have. They've gone on to be offered training contracts, and we really feel that we've identified potential in them to be very good trainees in the future.
So we have a number of diversity programmes at Bird & Bird. To give 2 examples, our bursary scheme, which was founded in 2009, and that aims to provide opportunities for students from disadvantaged backgrounds and help them into the legal profession.
So diversity is very much something that we promote at DWF, and we're working with a host of organisations to make sure that we're as inclusive as possible in terms of our recruitment process.
So we provide a maintenance grant throughout their time at university, mentoring, careers advice and a place on our vacation scheme.
There's also a great deal that you can get involved with when it comes to starting at DWF in terms of diversity. We have our very own diversity steering group who are responsible for the implementation of the diversity strategy within the business. We also have diversity champions across the business who are responsible for the same thing on a more local basis. And we also have recently run our first Diversity Week, which included presentations and workshops across the business to really raise the profile of diversity at DWF.